and girls, welcome to Guitar. We have Machine Gun Kelly here with a song called Starman. So we're gonna go into the song, only 4 chords, and we're gonna look into that cool melody going on there, but also the strumming. Very easy, this one. So let's check out this song, this Starman from Machine Gun Kelly. As you can see, no need for any setup more than just grab a guitar and go over the chords. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with E minor first, and E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay? Next chord will be G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Then we have the D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So there we have the chords. Now we're gonna play the melody, and we're gonna do that chord by chord. We're gonna start with that first. So E minor first, it goes like this. Okay, so it's just open strings. You're gonna start with the open E in the bass, then open B, and open G. All right, that's the E minor. Next is the G. And it goes, that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then open B, then open G. Then we'll have the D chord. It goes, so it's open D string, open B, and open G. And finally we have the C. It goes like this. So you're gonna play 3rd fret A string, then open G, 3rd B, back to open G, 1st B, back to open G, and open B, and finally open G. So, all right. That's the melody part. Now let's learn the strumming, and then finally we're gonna do and set the song up, depending on verse or chorus play. But first the strumming. So if you grab the first chord, E minor, of course now you have to hold the full chords as they are, and you're gonna play down, up, down, up. So, and I like to highlight the second down and play that on the higher strings down here. And the down and ups actions will be on the bass string. So that will be 1 string around. That's how I like to do it, to give some color on the strumming. So alright, so 1 round is down, up, down, up. So now let's go into different versions here. So when it comes to handle this song with the melody, we're gonna look into that first. We're gonna start with E minor, 1 round, then G, 1 round, and then C, 1 round. And that is what you're gonna play for verse play, okay? So in the verses, you're gonna play like this. Alright, so that just rolls there. E minor 1, G 1, C 1. But then at the chorus play, you're gonna hit that first at 1 minute and 6 seconds in. I want something else. That's where we are in the lyrics. You're gonna play E minor 1, G 1, and C 1. That's the first half, and the second half is E minor 1, D 1, and C 1. So every other time you switch that G, C, and then D, C in the end. Okay. So 1 full round goes like this. That is the chorus play. Okay, so you just play that verse play and chorus play throughout the song. Then finally we're gonna look into the strumming now, and yes, you're gonna play E minor 2, G2, and C4, where you play that on the verse play, and then on the chorus play you're gonna play E minor 2, G2, C4, and then the second time you play E minor 2, D2, and C4. So 1 chorus round with strumming goes like this. right, guys, so that's that. Machine Gun Kelly's Starman, a great song as always from that boy, and it fits guitar obviously very well. If you're curious, I have a secondary channel, YouTube channel here. We're gonna have the name Gordon Guitar 6 Strings and Go and check that one out. It's fairly new, only 2 uploads at the speaking moment. So if you want to support me at this channel, thank you very much. And the new channel 6 Strings Go, yes, I appreciate all your support, guys. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Next time, play tuned.